If you're seeing a message that says an experience is unavailable because it's unrated, it's usually because your Roblox account is set to under 13. Roblox blocks access to certain games for safety reasons when it detects that. To check your age setting, log into your Roblox account on a browser. Click the gear icon in the top right, go to Settings, then Account Info. Look at the birthday listed. If it shows you're under 13, that's what's causing the issue. You won't be able to change the birthday manually if it was entered wrong. If you're actually 13 or older, Roblox lets you verify your age using an official ID. In your settings, you should see an option to verify age. You'll need to scan a government-issued ID and take a selfie. It's a quick process, and once it's done, your account will be updated to 13+. After that, you'll be able to access those unrated experiences, and also things like voice chat if it's turned on.